Hey guys, it's Tony over here from Papa Home, where we talk about turning these properties into wealth by using the power of real estate. And take a look here. I'm at one of my flips. Got some beams here going up in the house. Everyone's out there working on this property. We done had it about a month now, so everything's going well. But I wanted to do a quick little video here. I will show you guys inside the house, but just go through my other videos here on YouTube. You'll probably see some videos of it. But I want to do this quick little video because I was doing a little research this morning. I seen a house that was on Zillow, and it was for sale by owner. And I want to show you guys how certain people do certain things when they list a property. And this house for sale by owner, and this person who did this, obviously, I'm gonna explain to you why I think they did it. But we're gonna switch over here to our own screen here. I'm gonna show you guys this house, and I'm gonna show you the comps, and I'm gonna show you the reason why this person, I can tell, maybe they know what they're doing, maybe they don't know what they're doing when it comes to comping properties. So when you're gonna flip houses and great neighborhoods like this here, you better know your numbers, and you better know how to flip these properties to be able to make a profit. If you overdo it and run comps on neighborhoods that don't support your house, you're gonna be in trouble. So I want to show you guys this quick little thing. So before we get over there, do me a favor, give me a thumbs up here for the video, because this is going to be priceless information, guys. This is going to help you as a wholesaler, investor, knowing how to comp a property the correct way, and knowing what this person here is doing. It's not going to work, and that house is probably going to sit there for a while. Watch this. Okay, here we go. So first and foremost, what you're looking at here, it's a property that's for sale by owner. Just hit the market this morning. Now, I blurred out and read the property address, so because that doesn't matter. What matters is that this person here got a 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, 1,270 square feet property, listed for $239 at 1,270. I got a property on the market now that's 500 square feet, bigger than this one, listed for around by 240. And that's the given rate when it comes to the square footage of what that house can go for. Because all the houses in that neighborhood, or what my property's at, are selling for around that amount. So we bought it right, we put the right rehab in it, and we got it listed right. But this person here, as you can see here, we're gonna do this here. This person here, as you can see here, let's see. Let's look over here. So look at this here. $180,000 Zillow estimate. Keep that in mind now. You got $180,000 Zillow estimate. So users Zillow and Redfin are very accurate. They're 100% accurate on their number. No, meaning that this house could probably sell for 270. I'm not 270, 170, maybe 190. You know what I mean? 195. But the estimate is pretty much due to the data that Zillow and Redfin is communicating when it comes to these properties that have been sold. So they get this data, and they can pretty much kind of tell, due to the market, what house is selling for, what it can sell for. So here at this moment here at $180,000, but what he got his house listed for, $240,000. Now that's a $60,000 markup. So something's wrong, right? Also, look at this here. 188 square feet. Now, I'm going to tell you something now. I know my market like the back of my hand. $188 a square feet. That's a lot. I mean, you talking about a big mansion here in my market. The highest you probably go on square footage is probably maybe 140, 145 in a great market. Unless it's new construction. But he got it 188, and this is just a typical house that was built in 1983. So pretty much over 40 years ago. So this is what you got here. So what I want to do, I want to show you guys what I found and show you the reason why this person here is in a bad shape. Number one, the house is only 1,200 square feet, almost 1,300 square feet. That's number one. Number two, there are other houses that are bigger, selling for the same amount, or a little bit above. Also, number three, there are other houses that are updated better than this house. This house is pretty clean, but it's not really updated. It's clean, but not really updated. So let's get into everything. So I'm going to go here with the rent fee. I already have this pulled up for you. Okay. Now, what I want you to see here, let me take a screenshot here. I want to break something down for you guys here. I want to show you something. Right, I'm gonna tell you, his house is within this neighborhood here. It's within that neighborhood. It's within this neighborhood. So when those appraisals, those guys are doing BPOs, when they're going into the neighborhood looking for like houses, this is what they're looking at. Okay, this is what they're looking at. So just know at this moment here, his property needs to be around all these comps here. Not these out here now. I'm going to tell you what these are. These properties here, outside here, are new construction. All these properties inside here, all houses 40, 50, 60, 70 years old. These type of neighborhood houses that were probably built in the 60s and 70s and maybe 80s as well. But these houses here, all are new construction properties, okay? So just kind of keep that in mind. Just know his comps are within this area here, not on the outside. So if we go back here, if we go back here, let's look at the houses that are in his market. I already ran the comps. So I go to the filters here. I do a 3-bedroom, 2 baths house, 1,000 to 1,500 square feet. Why? His comps are going to be within 300 feet higher or 300 feet lower. So he's around 1,270. So it could be 1,000. It could be 1,500. That's his comp. So we got 13 houses. So let's look at the houses inside. We got this house here for $200,000. That's a little bit bigger than Hills here. Hill, this one by almost 200 square feet bigger than here. It's listed for $215. Okay, and if we go back and look at it, let's see what the square footage of per square feet. It's $148 per square feet. Nowhere near the 188, correct? Okay, so we skim back. So this is a bigger house. Now let's look at this here for 200. Okay, for 200 right here. This house here, 3-bedroom, 2 bath, 1,380, 100 square feet bigger than Hills. Sold for $200,000 at 143 square feet. Okay, so we're gonna go back again. And like these are his comps. We got one here for 188. Let's see what this is. Wow, this is sort of around his number because his house is 1,270, $185,000 right here. 2 bedrooms. I mean 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1,280. His house is 1,270 and a 144 square feet. Okay, so we begin to see the scheme here. Let's look at a few more. This one 170 at 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 11, probably 100 square feet smaller than the Hill, so it's 170. Okay, we got another at 213. Let's see. This is a little bit more bigger house, 1,300 square feet. Okay. I bet it's around about 150 square feet, something like this, probably. Let's see. It's around about 150 square feet, maybe 163 square feet, right there. Okay, so that was a little higher. Let's look at this last one at 210. Oh, this one here is way bigger than the house. Oh, it's almost 200 square feet bigger than the house. It is a 4-bedroom, 2 bath at 210. Remember, he got a 3-bedroom, 2 bath house, 1,270 at $239,000. Look at this, guys. Let's go back here. Look at this guy. Let's go back here. Let's do this here. None of these houses. Let's go here. None of these houses in his community here, where the house got 210 all the way to 200,000 at the end, sold for over $215,000. Not one, not one. But let me tell you what he was looking at. I'm gonna tell you what he was looking at, and I'm gonna tell you this is how he's gonna get hurt. And I'm gonna tell you the reason why you guys don't need to do this. You gotta, if you're gonna be a real estate investor, you gotta know how to run comps, run your numbers the right way. He started to look at these houses, guys, on the outside here. What did we say these houses were? What did we say these houses were? We just said all these houses here are new construction, folks. Your house cannot compete with that. Your house is 40-some years old. So let's go back here. He said new construction. So let's look on the outside. Let's see this house up here for $245. Wow. $245 right here. It's a 3 bedrooms, 2 bath house, 1,300 square feet. New construction. Okay. What is it? 180 square feet. Okay. Built 2019. Look at it now. 2019. Let's look at it now. The one for $240. Right there. Let's skim down. 164. 2019. Let's go to another one. Let's go to this one here. That 240 here. Now, you see the trend here. 114. What was that? Yeah, 1,400 square feet, pretty much. Let's see. This 239. This is pretty much his house that he just pretty much said that his house is comp around. Let's see what it is. $163 a square feet. Okay, 2016, guys. Let's look at just one more. Let's look at this one for $235 here. $161. Wow. $161 a square feet. 2018. So, what do they tell you, guys? I'm gonna tell you exactly. This is what happened here. He decided to take his house that's here and think it's gonna be out here with these houses when it comes to appraisal, and it's not. The appraisal is not gonna go on those houses out here. They're not. He's not. Appraiser is gonna look at these houses inside here. So what you think is gonna happen? The house is gonna sit. Now you gotta ask yourself, if you're gonna pay $240K for a house, you're gonna buy a house inside of the neighborhood that got 40-year-old houses, or you're gonna buy the house in the neighborhood that got 5-year-old houses? Which one? You think about it. Bad investor. But he's going out on a limb, and that may be the reason why he got listed for sale by owner. So guys, do me a favor, like the video. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Let's do deals.